Yo.
Yo.
Hey, bro, I'm not gonna be able to go.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. I was just trying to see how disappointed you were gonna be. Never mind.
I was disappointed. I wasn't gonna let you know I was disappointed. I was gonna shoot you when I see you.
I'm like 2 minutes away.
Alright, bro. I'm outside.
Bet. Never heard this. I've never heard this dude say I'm outside, bro. What the heck?
I'm outside already.
Alright, bro. I'm literally right around the corner.
No, I cannot crash out. I'm too far in my bag now. Old friends beat to come up and they pray that I just crash now. I pray that I last. No, I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight. My new image can't lash out. No, I cannot crash out. I'm too far in my bag now. New friends beat to come up and they pray that I don't crash now. I pray that I last. Now I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight. My new image can't lash out.
Look at Asia. Isn't her hair so nice?
Thank you. Oh, you never compliment me. That's a joke, you guys. He compliments me a lot.
But y'all, what's up, vlog? So right now we're just chilling.
You're making me uncomfortable because you're driving, so
Cool beans. Y'all, what's up,
Hi,
vlog?
guys.
Right now we're vibing and thriving. Yo, why you all up in my? But yo, what's up, vlog? Right now we vibing and thriving. Why is you? What's up, y'all? We vibing and thriving. We about to head to the meeting. I don't know if I should be saying that in the vlog, but you know, it is what it is. This is real life content. This like the real life job like thing. It's Tuesday, 7 o'clock. We're running late. We're supposed to be there at 7:30. And I gotta pick 2 people up and I gotta drop 1 person off. So right now we gotta pick up Al. And then afterwards we gotta drop Asia off, and then we're gonna pick up Rand, and then we gotta head to the meeting. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? But
my
you know.
car's getting painted silver. Like the rest of it.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I get it back Thursday.
How's it feel to not have a car game?
It feels disgusting and I hate it here. But I get it back Thursday.
Stupid. But y'all, we gonna get right into this little vloggy vlog. We're not doing too much. We just having a cool little day. And so, y'all, we gonna see y'all.
Prayers and salutations. Prayers and salutations.
On Granny! This dude outside with it, bro.
Hey, Alec.
How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
How you feeling?
I'm good.
We gotta drop Asia off and then we're gonna pick her up. This dude is pressed, bro. This dude's
I'm going to the meeting.
Are those legal?
No.
I was about to say,
No,
bro.
I knew he was gonna say something.
The iridescent
I knew he was
joints?
gonna say something.
You know the
Malik is just attracted to
forgot you had
anything
braces.
illegal.
My bad. You shocked the crap out of me.
I wouldn't put in that car, bro. That car. I'm not saying that car is ugly. You can do whatever you want with the car, dude.
I saw pink ones.
Bro, I seen that.
I saw pink ones though. I don't know if that's illegal. That might not be illegal.
I'm pretty sure those are legal because you can't see inside of it.
But I saw pink ones.
You can,
oh my god.
She got the mirror like that, Jay, too.
No,
I'm pretty sure those are legal. I'm not gonna lie.
Say you belong to the streets, but the streets, they belong to me. They're like home to me. You belong to the streets.
Imagine not having a moonroof, bro. Like, this is literally the best.
I don't have a moonroof.
Oh, I guess you don't have to imagine. This is literally the best feature of my car. Like, I love having a moonroof on Grand.
That laugh.
Like, you will have the set thing and you won't just let that be it. Like, you have to make sure we feel the pain of not having the set thing. So, like,
bro, I don't do
for
that,
example,
bro.
yo,
On Granny, I do not
every
do
2
that.
seconds, you're like, man, I miss my girl, blah, blah, blah. And I'm just like,
God, I can't miss my girl,
you
bro.
can, but every 3 seconds, we don't have to know that, bro.
I feel like it's.
I miss her. I miss her every 3 seconds. What?
Look at him.
This dude, bro.
I swear. People like you should be castrated.
What is the correlation, bro?
I have no idea. I'm just mad.
You left it on the floor at
The
first?
back half is on the floor.
Bro, what the
They
fuck?
didn't have. You know what they have to do that, bro? Like, you gotta jack it up, put the joint under. Then when you ready to do the back tie, you gotta tip it forward, like the joint is a seesaw for real.
Nah, bro.
They did, bro.
That's actually
Brand new whip.
That's
You know how much
actually
the rims gonna cost?
Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro.
Nah, I'm putting my.
You guys know?
Just get warlocks.
Yeah, but you can still take him off.
It's not. They're not gonna do it. It's too much work. I've seen it.
Did
Alright,
you
most
guys
people
know
who do it.
that back in the 6th grade, I had bad grades. Now I was in love with my tutor.
You want to close the
That
door?
was actually a tough setup. So I was not expecting that.
As soon as he said
Bro,
6th
please
grade,
tell me
bro.
that cologne is still in here, bro.
Nah, I saw that joint.
Oh, let's go.
He said I sold that.
He's being sarcasm.
You mean sarcasm?
Nah, bro, money been tight, bro. I ain't get paid off of YouTube yet.
Word. You need 1K for that, gangy.
I'm about to get 1K, bro.
Boy ain't even peaked 200 yet.
That's how you know. That's how you know he L Mans, bro. That's how I know you L Mans, bro. I've been peaked 200, bro.
Bro, you gotta keep that and put it in your intro when you hit 1,000.
That's how I know, bro. Big L Mans. Now you definitely not getting
I'm
this
making
color.
thumbnails, bro. Not thumbnails. What are them Jones called? Intro?
Thumbnails. Oh, intro. Just run this joint.
I keep on forgetting
I
this.
run this
one.
light every morning. Without hesitation.
I've never not ran this light. And now I can say it. Now
We're in the same spot.
Now I can say it. I run this light every day.
Yeah.
Peek the keys.
Yeah.
The same spot.
Back then when he ain't want me, now they all on me. Dang, bro.
I'll never say no corn.
That was a random level joke. I'm sorry.
Hey.
No, you got gum, bro.
Yeah, I got you.
Hey.
Hold on. Let me get it for you.
Hey, gosh. All right.
Dang, you need that joint too.
Stop playing.
Hey, Malik, let's
Give
play
me
a game.
give me
Let's play a game, Malik. Let's see who can come the fastest.
You can go first though.
You go.
What that mean?
No, take another one. Take another one.
Yo, Epstein.
Nah, you seen that?
Hey, bro, stop
My
playing with-
dad comes to the Next to tell myself, bro, Alex, play a game. Let's see who can put on deodorant the fastest.
I ain't never asked y'all for gas money a day in my life, bro. And y'all kept on bringing that joint up like I ever. And nah, you give me gas money, bro. Cause
I'm literally broke.
Nah, cause he tried to front that.
Oh yeah.
He tried to front that.
Right? Show me the bag.
Yeah. You the one that was saying,
I don't get paid
show
for
me a
one
band.
minute. You got
Show
the
me a
camera
band.
out, too.
Show me a band.
Me first.
Show me a band. Show me a band right now. 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 Don't show me no credit either.
Oh, that's a band.
Think of your band, bro. Show them how I'm living.
Yeah. Take 20 out of
You
that.
show me a
gas money.
band.
I can show you a band,
Nah,
nigga.
nah,
What the freak?
joking.
I was about to say, bro. You know me, son.
I'm just joking.
I show you a band just straight off the stocks, bro.
Are you guys laughing? Were you laughing?
That made me pay through a dog on intercom. That joint crazy, son. Hey, yo, everybody out the whip, son. Everybody out the whip, bro. What is... Keep on acting like you sleep. I'ma act like you sleep. You feel me?
Come on, egg wall. Come on, egg wall.
You look like you came with an egg roll.
Dang, bro. Car stopped at 30 seconds.
Bro, stop playing. Bro, not. Bro, stop shaking the car, bro.
Are you there, bro? Nigga, I told him you think things.
Bro, stop shaking the car, bro. We gotta pull up, bro. Bro, it's my gas nozzle, bro. That joint stay doing that joint.
Why did niggas start gurgling?
Bro, cause I don't know why it's like a sensor in my gas joint. Like if that joint's not like exactly, that joint be start tripping.
That goes on minor. That goes on like Minecraft.
What is you doing, bro? That's your quirk. How'd it go?
They ain't have no tomato gang.
Here you go, gang.
Appreciate you, baby boy. Alright, y'all. We finna drop Brandon Nick off. Is the baby getting sleepy? Is the baby getting sleepy? Is the baby getting sleepy?
They forget.
I forgot I, bro. I'm so mad at Kate's mom actually pointed that out. She said, what is that saucity? It's wild as crap, bro. That joint really got an eye in it. That joint said,
High limit.
that's crazy. I'll go pick up my people's Gio Marcia. They trying to go to the train station real quick. And I'm about to go pick them up. But y'all, yeah, I think this is going to be the end of the vlog though. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And I'm going to drop this literally tomorrow. So y'all going to see it ASAP. It's going to be the mini vloggy vlog. So, you know what I'm saying? Since I ain't dropped last week, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, we just going to drop it in between vlogs. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Love y'all so much on Granny. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow the Instagram and the socials on Granny. Let's get it.
No, I cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. Old friends beat the come up and they pray that I just crash now. I pray that I last, no, I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight, my new image can't lash out. No, I cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. New friends beat the come up and they pray that I don't crash now.